White flag.
White flag, that time by. And Robert Presley trying to hold on to win his first NASCAR Craftsman Truck Series race in his very first start. No one's done it since Mike Skinner did it back in February of 1995.
Is Brian Rose, Robert Presley's teammate, going to help Ted Musgrave?
Talking about the third place truck there, the 4. Will he help the 1? Draft by. Final lap there in turn 3. Robert Presley, second generation driver. Can he hold on? Here comes Musgrave, the veteran, 46 years of age. Presley's 42. Lots of Winston Cup experience here in the NASCAR Craftsman trucks. They come down, and the Florida Dodge Dealers 250 goes to Dodge and Robert Presley.
White flag. White flag, no caution flag.
White flag, that time by as Musgrave slowed. So did Robert Presley. This is the final lap in Darlington. In the Craftsman Anniversary 200, they are less than a mile from the checkered flag. Presley has his foot in the throttle. Musgrave has him by 4 car lengths, 4 truck lengths. Here's the battle for third spot. Bliss has gotten by Harvick. And out of turn 4, Ted Musgrave will come across by 4 truck lengths and win over Robert Presley. The battle for third goes to Mike Bliss over Kevin Harvick.
Side by side again. David Starr has fresher tires than Brendan Gaughan.
White flag. Final lap. There is Setzer out of turn 2. Bliss in second. Crawford third. Down out of turn 4, 42-year-old Dennis Setzer wins at Martinsville Speedway.
This truck comes from Michigan anyway, Don.
It sure does. Battle for 5th position. John Wood making a move inside of Dennis Setzer. And Setzer will take the spot. And here comes Wood battling back on the final lap as the white flag waves. And they are right in front of our leader. There comes Terry Cook in the number 29. Terry Cook, the Power Stroke diesel colors for K Automotive. Bob and Kay and Ron Keselowski. And Terry Cook at 33 years of age out of Sylvania, Ohio, will win at Gateway International. Cook finds the gateway to victory lane. 37-year-old Milwaukee, Oregon driver is 2 laps away from getting his 8th career victory in NASCAR's Craftsman Truck Series.
Jason Leffler is able to close to within a half a second of Mike Bliss, but he's not able to get any closer. The thing, Mike Bliss has not made any mistakes. He's running that high line. He's running it consistently. The only way Jason was allowed to close up, they ran into some heavy traffic and got Jason within a half a second. But then that differential has stabilized, and Mike Bliss right now, he's got 1 lap to go.
The white flag waves. Mike Bliss brings the IWX Motor Freight Chevrolet up the back straightaway. In turns 3 and 4, Mike Bliss has the margin, 6 truck lengths over Jason Leffler. And Mike Bliss will come out of turn 4 and take the victory at Pikes Peak.
Good job, everybody. You won it off your road.
Presley, a 2-time winner here at Busch competition. But he may run out of time. White flag waving for Ted Musgrave. 1 mile away from victory lane at Dover.
See a couple of lap trucks right in front of him. I think they're not going to come into play. That's Trent Owens, who will be having a good, strong top 50 run. I don't think he's going to be a factor.
Final lap at turn 3. And out of turn 4, 46-year-old Franklin, Wisconsin driver Ted Musgrave gets his 2nd win of the year and 9th of his career as he beats the monster at Dover, Delaware. Well, he played basketball for the legendary John Thompson at Georgetown. His roommate, well, how about a guy by the name of Allen Iverson? So much emotion. What a great athlete. He could have played baseball. He could have played possibly professional basketball. He chose to go to NASCAR and become a Winston West Series champion, not once but twice. His dream was to move up into NASCAR's Craftsman Truck Series. And now, the Napa Auto Parts Dodge is a half a turn away from going to victory lane. Here he comes out of turn 4. 26-year-old Brendan Gaughan will win at Texas Motor Speedway.
Good job, Brendan. Good job, all you guys. Way to work hard. Pays off, pays off.
And the white flag will come out this time. Alan Porter waves the white flag at Memphis Motorsports Park. Final lap of the O'Reilly Auto Parts 200. Off the back straightaway, it is Chevy, Ford, and Dodge. Great parity in NASCAR's Craftsman trucks. Can Cook make a move? Slower traffic up high into turn 4. And 26-year-old Travis Quaffle will win at Memphis, Tennessee.
Good job, Travis. Way to go, Doug. Guys, awesome, awesome.
White flag.
And Cook made the fake up high, moved to the inside, and as soon as Leffler moved to cover the spot, and was able to make the pass. So there's the power stroke pitch. Look at these guys applauding what has been a phenomenal effort for their driver, Terry Cook, today.
What a great power move on that restart to get by Jason Leffler.
We told you this racetrack had been special to Terry Cook. He made his first start here in 1996. He got his first major sponsor with Power Stroke Diesel's announcement here a year ago. And today, Terry Cook takes the checkered flag as the winner at the Milwaukee Mile. White flag this time by Alan Porter. Bliss the leader. Setzer in second. Presley is third. Crawford fourth. Leffler fifth. Terry Cook back in sixth. The 20 truck of Court Gibbs is seventh, and David Starr resumes his top 10 finishing spots in 8 spots. Those 8 trucks on the lead lap. Final lap for Mike Bliss, 37-year-old Milwaukee, Oregon driver, IWX Chevrolet.
Slugger, I think this year chose profession.
And Bliss brings Chevrolet his first win at Kentucky Speedway.
That's the best race I've ever had in my life on a race.
That's Mike Bliss right there.
Good call to pit.
He said that's the best race truck he's ever had in his life.
Terry Cook said he could go to 200 laps. They have now gone to 205 laps. He and Setzer both in the same boat on fuel mileage. Can they come down and hang on in overtime and get the white and then the checkered flag?
These guys, not only does Terry Cook have to keep Dennis Setzer behind him, he's thinking, I'm going to run out of fuel any second now.
And
Look at David Starr on the inside.
Starr is pushing him. David Starr is pushing him. He's never won in NASCAR Craftsman trucks. Wayne and Connie Spears, who own that truck, have never won. Contact into the concrete. John Wood is there. Kevin Harvick has never won. He's back on the lead lap. He's pedaling hard. Less than a half a lap from the checkered flag. Will Cook have the gas? Will Setzer have the gas? Will Starr get the first win?
Look at that. David Starr looking on the inside of Dennis Setzer. Little contact. Look at it right against him, Doc.
Right against them. They're bumper to bumper. It's Ford, Chevrolet, and Terry Cook will hang on. Unbelievable. Cook, then Setzer, then Starr in overtime for the 4th time at Loudon, New Hampshire. How hungry is Jason Leffler? How bad does Robert Presley want to win the first time out for a new sponsor? He won his first time out in NASCAR's Craftsman trucks. And now Alan Porter waves the white flag. We are 2 miles away from the checkered. Here comes Leffler.
Robert trying to break the draft. It did not work. Jason went right down there with him. He was within 2 truck lengths.
It's a truck length and a half, and Presley hugs the bottom roof. Leffler goes high, looking for some drafting help. It's a truck length and a half, and it stays at coming off turn 2. Traffic ahead. What role will it play? There's the Ford, a teammate for Robert Presley. That is Brian Rose on the inside. It is now a half a truck length in turn 3.
Jason on the outside of the racetrack, Robert, right down the bottom of the racetrack.
Presley on the inside, Leffler up high. Here goes Presley sliding up in front of Leffler. And out of turn 4, Robert Presley will get a win. First time out for Square D. And Dodge sweeps the top 2 spots at Michigan. That's 4th, 5th, and 6th on your screen.
White flag.
White flag being waved to the 29 truck of Terry Cook. Trouble all around as one truck spins, Setzer spins, and Bliss is spun. The plus leader Crawford is involved.
Ted Musgrave, Andy Petrie.
But the white flag had already waved to the leader, and here off of turn 4 comes Terry Cook, the winner here of the Power Stroke Diesel 200. Wow, what a finish at Indianapolis Raceway Park.
He's got to do it now. He's running out of time, Mike.
I don't think he's got enough time, boys.
And Harvick driving for all he's worth. Star up across the racetrack.
Lock that brake up. Lock that left front up. Cost him about 3 or 4 spots.
White flag for Tony Stewart. 1 lap to go. And the young man from Rushville, Indiana, up across the wall, up across the racetrack. Goes a couple of trucks. Stars involved. 3 and 4 trucks involved in turn 2. Here comes Tony Stewart. He won his very first Winston Cup event here in September of '99. And he will win in only his second ever NASCAR Craftsman Truck Series start. Tony Stewart, a winner at Richmond International Raceway. So we are in overtime here. Here we go. Green, white, checkered. Can Bliss hold him off? There's the green flag. It'll be white and then checkered. Setzer, Coy Gibbs, Crawford are thirsty back there. Crawford is hungry. Setzer wants his second short track win. Here's Crawford going to the attack on Coy Gibbs.
Oh, Brendan Gaughan turning around.
Brendan Gaughan spins around and the yellow will come out and we're going to do it all over again. Grab your partner and do-si-do. We're going to go green, white, and checkered again here in the crowd. I love this rule. I love this rule. NASCAR's Craftsman trucks not.
Track's clear.
And they are waving the checkered flag now as they put out the yellow flag and the checkered flag, but never the white.
I never saw the white flag. I'm not sure what the call is going to be there.
And Ray, we never saw the white flag come out.
Absolutely, Jerry. I did. The white was out before the yellow came out. Mike Bliss had crossed the line. Probably the first 4 or 5 trucks were across the line. Mike Bliss did not receive the yellow. He is your victor here. And we can jump in here and talk to his crew chief, Dave Fuge.
Brendan able to keep the momentum up a trap. Rick Crawford finally able to get by Rick Crawford, but Rick only lost the 1 position. It looked like he might have lost 2, but he only lost 1 that lap.
The white flag is waving. Brendan Gaughan has moved up to 3rd spot. That's Crawford 4th, Quapple in 5th position. This is the battle for 6th between Presley in the 18 and Coy Gibbs in the 20 truck. So Ted Musgrave has just about 1 mile of racing to go, and he's going to successfully defend his victory here.
If he makes it back, Bob.
Yeah, let's not count it out or count it finished until the checkered flag has waved. But he's looking good. Has that Mopar truck right down on the bottom of the racetrack. Now swings high off of corner number 4. And Ted Musgrave from Franklin, Wisconsin is going to win it.
Jimmy Howell waving the white flag down there as they come by. Can Harvick get his first career victory in NASCAR's Craftsman trucks? Will Chevy win the manufacturer's title? Can Musgrave do anything? He wobbles coming off turn 2.
He's doing all he can do, Doc. He's on the hammer.
Half a mile from the checkered flag in the Chevy Silverado 150. Here comes Musgrave on the inside.
Is he going to use the bumper?
Fans are on their feet. They touch out of turn 4. And a Chevrolet will win the Chevy Silverado 150. What a finish for Kevin Harvick and Ted Musgrave.
Great job. That was awesome.
That's one happy guy right there, Kevin Harvick. Got coming down for the white flag here.
Final lap in the 2002 NASCAR Craftsman Truck Series season.
1 to go.
Ron Hornaday Jr. making only his 2nd start of the season, winningest driver in NASCAR's Craftsman trucks. Looks like he will sail on to win. There is Hornaday, and what a special day for IWX. They have team trucks. It looks like Hornaday in 1 truck will win the race, but here's the guy that has won the war of nerves in turn 3. Out of turn 4 comes Ron Hornaday. Hornaday wins at Homestead. And here out of turn 4, top of your screen, Mike Bliss becomes the 2002 NASCAR Craftsman Truck Series champion.
Ron's going to turn around and come back towards you. When you can go past the flag stand, come back to the checker flag, and you guys shake hands and do a burnout together.
What a great
IWX. 2 trucks in the top 5. Ron Hornaday is a bit of insurance, wins the race. They said they wanted him to win the race, and he won the race.
Can't ask for more than that. And let's go down to the middle of Bedlam as Ray Dunlap down in the IWX pits. Ray?